Hey everybody, welcome back. It has been a very stressful week and a half, and I've been really down in the dumps, and I'm trying to pull myself out of it, but I need some help, and this helps. New products, 2019 Stadium Club Baseball, notorious for its really good, clean, crisp, fun photography. Going to have 2 autographs and several inserts. There will be last year there was parallels like red foil, I remember that. Let's see what else. Oh, they don't have the odds right here. It just says approximate odds per box of finding sequentially numbered oversized base variation autograph, 1 in 104. I guess the odds are on the pack, but anyways, lots of people like Stadium Club. It's one of the more affordable products. Again, I did take note of people who left me feedback during the contest who asked for retail stuff because it's more affordable and more accessible for some people. I have that on the way. I have Stadium Club retail. It is the blaster boxes and fat packs, and then I have Court Kings blasters, which somehow eluded me at first, but I saw them for sale on the Panini site, and so I ordered those. And then I found something else, and now of course I can't remember. I knew I should have wrote it down, but I didn't. Something else. It was hanger boxes, but I don't think it was Stadium Club. But anyways, I'll update you later. For now, let's get into this because I've already done a lot of talky. I'm just going to do 1 box per video because it is a full box. I think it's usually 20 packs. 16. Okay, either way, that's still a pretty long break. Last year, my biggest hit out of Stadium Club was an Acuna rookie autograph that was incredibly sweet. That was by far the best hit out of Stadium Club. Overall, oh, I don't remember there being, okay, so they mentioned the oversize. I don't know, I guess every box has one of these, and it's just the autograph versions that are hard to come by. Very, very interesting. Alright, well, hang on, let me pull you back. My fat arm's gonna be bumping into the camera. Let's check this out and see what it is. Schwarber, who I like. Really cool. Now, there's not a lot of people that are fans of oversized cards because they just don't know what the heck to do with them, but it kind of makes sense in the case of Stadium Club because their photography is so good. If I was a big Cubs fan, I would absolutely love to have this in my office or what. I would frame it. It's really cool. So this is a nice touch, and I can already envision the autograph versions of these would be amazing for, you know, big fans, big team player fans. So that I want to see what the autograph checklist consists of for those. That's really cool. So nice touch, Topps. A little extra something there. Now let's get into it. As I've already said, I don't love the 2019 rookie class like I did the 2018. I think a lot of people will agree. So that kind of like puts a damper on the 2019 products, but there's still a lot to be seen with what these young guys are going to do. There's Devers, who was a rookie last year. I like the font they've chosen. What do you guys think about it? I can already tell right off the bat I like that. I like the back better than last year's too. It's darker. I love that. That's really cool. Yeah, I'm a fan already of these. These look really good. Nice photo there. There's a black and white Johnny Mize. I don't know if this is the black and white short print or whatever, or just part of the regular set. Last year when I first opened my box, I had a couple of black and whites, and I thought they were something special, but they were just black and white because they were the older players. So I was pretty stupid. Moustakas. Oh, that's cool too. Look at that Canseco. Really nice. Alright. Another great photo. Chris Bryant. I can't talk, sorry. Clayton Kershaw with what looks like the Budweiser Clydesdales behind him. It's hilarious. Brandon Crawford, Kyle Tucker rookie. Nice. Here's a red foil parallel of Charlie Blackmon. I don't know if you can see in this light, but this is red, this is red. Ah, chrome Mike Trout. Nice. And I don't know if you remember, but there are chrome refractors too, but that is sweet. Last year it was just like one of these per box, so to get Mike Trout is really nice. Duke Schneider and Arcia. Let's check out the odds, since they weren't on the outside of the box. Let's see what I can read here. Black and white is 1 in 48. Again, though, it tricked me last year, so I'm not entirely sure if that was what counts as a black and white. The red foil are 1 in 3. So we're going to get a couple of those. Black, 1 in, I can't read it. I think maybe 1 in 8. Rainbow, 1 in 147. First day issue, 1 in 367. Members only, 1 in 256. Photographer's proof, 1 in 513. Gold rainbow foil, 1 in over 1,000. Base chrome variation, 1 in 16. Base chrome variation parallel refractor, 1 in 64. Alright, I'm going to stop there. There's too many more, but there that is, if you can read it. Alright, Josh Donaldson, Ozzie Albies. Nice. Look at that. Ichiro. Emperors of the Zone, Clayton Kershaw. First insert. A Michael Kopech rookie. Very nice Griffey card. Really cool. And Conforto. Oh. That Griffey would be sweet in the chrome version. It would also be sweet as one of the 5x7s. Alright. Aguilar. Lorenzo Cain. Nola. Chu. A red foil Ryan Braun parallel. A wow, Sosa chrome refractor. What was that? 1 in 64. Hang on. 1 in, I think it says 94. So again, not only did I get a good name, not only did I get a good card, but got a good player. That is sweet. Wow. Yachty and Max Kepler. This is how we baseball. Oh, I already showed you the Braun. Did I go? I don't know if I... Yeah, I think that's everything there. Wow, so far this box has been good. I haven't even seen my autographs yet. Autographs are probably going to be just probably 2 rookies. We'll see, though. Maybe we'll get lucky. Scooter, Barrios, Vasquez, Marquez, Freeland, Power Zone, Bo Jackson, insert, Mr. Reggie Jackson, and Mel Ott. Alright, Bellinger, Blackmon, Suarez, Gurriel Jr. That's a good photo. Real Muto. Bryce Harper black foil. Boy, I have been really hitting it with the bigger names on these parallels. That was cool. Cueto and Encarnacion. And these are, they're not thick stock, they're not like 35 point, but they're definitely more substantial than like regular Topps. Alright, Braun. Really nice Dale Murphy. Wisdom rookie. Urias rookie. Red foil Suarez. First auto, Ray Black rookie. Just like I expected. The autographs are on card. Both of them will be. So as expected, a rookie autograph, Sano and Kinsler. Bogaerts, Derek Jeter, Zimmerman, DeJong, Clark, Warp Speed, Buxton. That's nice. That's like the old Topps Stadium Club label / initials from like the 90s. McCullers and Lester. Giancarlo, Bowers rookie. There's Ohtani. Ty Cobb, very nice. A red foil, Cody Bellinger. A Emperors of the Zone, Pedro Martinez. This is also a red foil parallel version. Fulmer and Segura. Jock Peterson, I like him a lot. Kenley Jansen, he kind of reminds me of Todd Hollandsworth. Verlander, comment below, let me know if you remember Todd Hollandsworth. Warren Spahn, very nice, look at that. Shoot, baby. Greinke, Emperors of the Zone, so these must be pretty easy to get. Zara and Hosmer. I don't know if I've ever told the story of, I went through a little phase where I would try to get right to players and get autographs, and Todd Hollandsworth was always one of the fastest to sign and return stuff, which made me love him even more. There's Glaber, Jake Lamb, Trevor Richards rookie, George Springer, Hornsby. This is Beam Team, Javier Baez, first one of those. Bradley and Clemente. Anderson, Jackie Robinson, that's nice. Diaz, Felix Hernandez, Power Zone, Schwarber, Todd Frazier, Mathewson, that's cool, and Corey Seager. Just a couple more to go, still looking for one more autograph. Alex Gordon, Tony Gwynn, Crime Dog, DJ Stewart rookie, Nelson Cruz, a Chris Bryant red foil, sweet. Again, my luck with the parallels is great right now. Buxton and Koufax. Look. Yeah, baby. Alright. Let's get to my favorite card. Turner. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I always liked Jeff Bagwell too. He was my brother's favorite player, so I ended up kind of liking him by default. David Price. This is a black foil parallel. Nice photo of Soto. Bob Gibson, and there he is. They've got him in his Mets. I don't really care if they have him in his Dodgers or Mets. It doesn't really matter to me. I like both teams, so I'm just happy to have this. Maybe I can collect the parallel versions of this and see if they have him in chrome. That would be nice. So one for the PC. That's another reason for me to like Stadium Club. Alright, Aaron Judge. Very nice. Mark McGuire. Gallo. McCutcheon. Clayton Kershaw, red foil. And my next autograph is Brandon Lowe. A little bit better. Good looking card. That's really sweet. Very clean. Nice. Okay. Blake Snell and Correa in our last pack. Zach Eckersley. Very nice. Pollock. Holiday. Very missed. Adam Jones. Warp Speed. Mookie Betts. David Dahl and Marte. Very nice. Good job, Topps. This was a very fun box to open, just like I expected. Hit the spot, just what I needed. As you saw, I have one more of those. I also have Elite Football. It's a great day to be a collector. And like I said, I needed it this week. So let me get this uploaded for you guys, and then I'll work on the other boxes and have those for you ASAP. Everybody take care. Love you guys. See you soon.